Hi there. Welcome to Sinmo Sang Trading, your one-stop machinery sales, service, and spare parts center. Are you now facing a problem that don't know where to send your machine to repair? Or need days or weeks, or even months to fix your machine? Or facing unprofessional mechanics who cannot solve your problem at all? Or even worse, every time get charged with bloody expensive service cost? At Sinmo Sang Trading, all your problems are not a problem. We have 30 years experience mechanics to fix your machine in proper way. We get our product and parts directly from factory without being charged by middleman and many logistics, just directly factory, me and you. So save cost and time. We also provide service guarantee for all the machine we repairs, so we do not have any hidden cost. So what are you waiting for? Fire your existing workshop and come to us now. We open from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday to Saturday. Sinmo Sang Trading, number 9 Market Street 93000, Kuching, Sarawak, Malaysia. Call 0822-42405. Facebook, Sinmo Sang Trading.